Here we are in another area. Hope we get lucky. This is where the one-ways are. Yeah, that reminds me. I also want to build something in front of my front door so I don't get snow all over my porch and stairs. I'm going to have to work on that soon. But I just have so much to do. Anything that way? No, there's a cat. How much do they pay for cats? Maybe not the scrapyard, but maybe the Chinese restaurant. I wonder how many people I just offended with that. I mean, I'm not the one who started that. That's been going around since I was a kid and probably earlier. So many nice trucks. I can't believe how many trailers are around these areas where I do my scrap run. It's like every other house has a beautiful pickup and a trailer. Oh, look at this old thing. I had two just like it. Well, they weren't that color. Mine were black Chevy pickups. There's another nice pickup and another one right there. It ain't right. So many people that have all this money, many of them they just inherited, and I mean, I'm happy for them, but I'm not happy for me because I ain't got crap. I had all my stuff taken from me. You know, 2 divorces, that'll do it. That'll kill you. I wonder what size this thing is. Are you a 12-inch? Let me see. With my luck, it'll be 13 or 14. Let's have a look. Hercules. 13, as I suspected. I need 12s for that. I got 2 good rims. I got a couple tires hiding around somewhere. What I need is inner tubes, and I gotta have time to make myself a tire machine. I wanna weld myself one with pipes. That'll work. I like how they did this. With this cement closing up the stairs, they'll probably make a what they call a cold room in there. What are all those things? Let's investigate. Huh. That's not metal. I don't know what the heck it is. Oops. I don't know. It looked like some kind of a contraption to snap your fingers. That's why I didn't yank on it. And it had one of those tomato things. Those, they just get caught up in everything. Kind of like those rolls of fence that I had earlier. Damn, that was hard pulling those out of there for that guy. They just get stuck in everything. They tangle with each other and oh my god. What's all this? Boxes. Anything good? I don't know. And I don't like when people are sitting there looking at you, and it's not that warm and they're sitting there just about naked. I mean, I can understand when it's a really hot day. Even I'll go out in my backyard with nothing on. But I don't sit on the front porch with one of those welfare bodies showing off my nipples to everybody. That's gross. I see a lawn tractor. Is it in the garbage or is there somebody on it? I think that, yeah, there's somebody on it. Here it comes. It must be a Columbia with that color combination, and it's got a black eye. Yep. Well, maybe not Columbia, but it's those color schemes anyway. Cub Cadet. There we go. I was close. Right? What are they going to build here? There's lots of scrap wood anyway. Yep. Lots of scrap wood. It's chilly. I closed the back windows too. I wish they didn't make these one-ways like that. Okay, what have we got here? A bunch of nada. Branches again, and bags. Up here, past that green cul-de-sac sign, dead end in other words, that's where I found a working mower a few weeks ago. Turns out I found an even better one. Oh, this guy's calling me. Du métal?
Ouais.
Bon, ok.
C'est pas grand chose, mais au moins.
Tu veux-tu que je recule là-bas?
Oh, tu peux te pointer ici pour aller chercher.
Ok. Well, that's nice. People stopping me today. There's a few of them that did that. I like it when that happens. He's probably wondering, what the heck has he got on his head? Should I run over there and help him? Yeah, I think I should. Alright friends, I'll turn this off. Okay, so that gentleman stopped me. He had a few little items. Some are cute, they might be keepers. You know, like candle holders that go against the wall. Like, not quite a candelabra, but you know, like a chandelier type of thing. Anyway, he had a few little pieces of metal he just wanted to get rid of. He said it was stuff his wife was keeping. I hope she won't make him sleep in the doghouse, because they're cute little knick-knack type of things. Now, do I dare come down the other road? How about no, it's already 3:15. I'll just head on down to the next town and the next town and make my way towards my daughter's place. And I gotta remember those ramps for that guy. He looked really pissed off. I guess he was expecting a different reaction from me. And he wouldn't let me take that thing out of the garbage, that aluminum scooter thing. He said I could have it when I bring back the ramps. Because I told him I'd be back next week, because, you know, gas is expensive and that's far from my house. I mean, I feel bad for the kids, because I did take their ramp thing. But I mean, if it's good, you don't stick it right on the side of the road. You know, use your brain, people. If you're keeping it, put it about 5 or 6 feet inwards in your driveway or something. Because right alongside of the road, somebody passes on garbage day, what do you think's going to happen? I mean, duh. Of course someone's going to grab that. I can't believe this. It almost makes me racist. You know. Anyway, I won't get into that because I'll just get hateful comments. So, I guess I'll turn this back on if I find something. Alright, I'm waiting for the best occasion to do a U-ey. I saw something down a road over there. Now, how about right now? Yeah, I could do it right here. There we go. This'll work. Now, where's that road again? Right here. Will I have time before he gets here? Nah. I mean, I could have, but things would have flown around in the trailer. See right there. I don't even know if that's all metal or not. Well, the guy's garage door is open. I don't even know. Is that stuff I take? Plastic, wood, a chair. Nope. Well, that roll of foam looks interesting. So let me just turn around right here. See if I can. What's in that roll of foam? Is that good for me? Let me take a quick look. That's good packing material stuff. Yep. I'll take that. This is the good stuff. Will it fit in there? Yeah, we'll make it. Alright. There. And that didn't even hurt. So that's good for when you ship things, which I plan on putting things back up on eBay. Haven't sold anything on there in a while. So it's already 3:25. Gotta get to my daughter's and pick up them ramps and whatever else she wants me to grab. My daughter, I mean. Anything down here? Nope. An old Toyota, I guess as a Corolla. Okay, this is where I pick up old screwed up tires that they put in the pile to get rid of. But I sometimes get lucky and find my 12-inch tires for my trailer, and sometimes I get good winter tires for my van or my truck. Like these two look nice. What size are they? I think they're 15s. Or no, that's a 6. Those are 16-inch. That's not good for me. But these little guys, I believe they're the ones I need. 12, yes. Oh wow, they're about as worn out as mine. Huh, all three of them are bad. Damn. That's terrible. There's another one under here. What is he? Carlisle, yeah. How bad are you? You're just as bad. It's a 12 also. Darn. I'm not lucky, am I? That little guy's all cut. Motorbike tire. This is a beautiful one. What's this? I can't see. Ice track and whatever. Come on, what's the size? It's written here, I think. Yeah, 14. Damn. It's such a beautiful tire. Why did it have to be a 14? And this guy here. Oh, what are you? You're a 13. Damn, this is not my lucky day. Not for tires, anyway. But it's my lucky day for all kinds of other stuff. Like number one, I didn't get a ticket today. Because I've been driving good. And I didn't get in an accident. Because I've been driving good. And I didn't break anything. And I didn't get a flat yet. Oh well. Let's go down and check out these dumb speed bumps. Well, just found an exercise machine. One of these pedal things. Yeah, I should turn that off. Hope they don't mind. I got a camera on my head. Not hear him talking. I could put that right there. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, let me clean this up a little. Get that back there. Get out of here. Get away from me. I wonder. There, that'll work. Now, grab this guy. That looks good. Oh, okay, I didn't know it bends like that. Huh, I'll do it the other way. Yeah. He's probably laughing watching me struggle with this. Alright, let go of me. I hope that this will stay. Yeah, thank you. I gotta be careful. My ramp started breaking over here. That's from the metal twisting. And the reason it's twisting is because when I drive, it has no choice. It kind of moves around with all the bumps because our roads are so good. Well, I didn't think I'd get anything at all in this area. Here comes a car. Go, guy. Oh, he's turning there. Alright. Well, that was fun. And it only took about 4 minutes. Anything down here, I wonder? Because the last couple of weeks, every time I came this way, there was nothing out. I guess because it was too early. That's what it seemed like to me anyway. Okay, well, I don't see anything else for right now, so a little something. What exactly is it? Some kind of metal rack. What's in here? Ooh, a box full. Oh, a fan. Damn. Am I glad I met you? Oh, it's one of those tabletop fans. Keep the paper in. Oops. Get in there, paper. Oh, and things for an air conditioner. Is he in there? Hang on. What's this? It's got metal. It's a headrest from a car. Now, is the AC underneath? I actually think it is. Something's down there with electric wire. That's heavy. Ooh, I don't think they would like to see me doing this. Maybe I could use this to grab it. At least if I could grab the wire. Hang on, did I get the wire? Oh, there. I got the wire. Alright. No, that's not the air conditioner. He might not even be in there. Okay, so I got all this. Who knows, this fan might work. You know how some people are. Throw things out that are still working. So I'll put this here and try it when I get home. And what's all this? Now they got all their household trash in there. I don't want to grab that. Ooh, aluminum brush. Ooh. Sorry guys, I hit the camera. I don't know, the AC might be in the bottom, but I ain't going there. So, oh, it's a dog cage. I know who wants that. My daughter. Yeah, she wants that for rabbits. So that'll go on the other side. Oh, it's falling. What is this? Darn. I didn't want that to happen. Now, how do I put that in without breaking anything? I guess this would be a good idea. Right there. Okay, now, get that stroller. I'm glad they folded it. I usually have trouble bending them. Damn, that thing broke. Okay, extra chunk of plastic can go here. And I'll just take it like this with the leaking baby formula, poop smell, and everything. Is there a car coming? No. Guy's in his yard looking at me. And as luck would have it, when I picked it up over my head, all kinds of crumbs came flying at me, and it started raining. I did not want that, because when I get to my ex's place, I still got to fix a flat tire that they got on their Jeep, and my daughter's gonna want me to pick up some of her scrap and pay her, and I still want to have time to finish my run before it gets dark and I get tired. Now, what else? Okay, well that's it for now, folks. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and comment.